Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you what to do if your iPhone keep lagging after iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. After installing the update, your device will continue to perform background app tasks. It looks like the updates are fully installed. So we need to leave iPhone, connect to Wi-Fi and let iPhone to finish update or complete the updates. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 1. Force quit all apps that are running in the background. Double tap on home button and force quit all the apps that are running in the background. Now we go for solution number 2. Turn off background app refresh. For that, launch settings, then tap general, tap background app refresh, tap again background app refresh and turn off. The third thing that we have to do, make some space if you are out of space. To check that, go to settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage and check if you are out of space, then delete some apps or upload some apps and make some space for iPhone. Finally, force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And if you are using latest model of iPhone, then quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And one more thing that we can do, check the update for apps. For that, go to settings, then connect to Wi-Fi. After connecting to Wi-Fi, go back to iPhone home screen and tap and hold App Store. Tap on Updates and check is there is any update available for apps. If there is, then tap on Update All or Update one by one. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.